Here's how you can make 3,000 a month selling simple digital products with Instagram theme pages without showing your face or spending a single penny on ads, without the need to deal with any inventory. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact 3-step system that I use to turn faceless Instagram pages into passive income. So you could just copy the same process for yourself. So for those of you guys that don't know me, my name's Arinze and I'm from New Jersey. And I've been monetizing countless theme pages for about 3 years now, and I've helped countless people do the same. So as you guys can see, this is my personal brand theme page. I got some pretty cool stuff on there, credit related stuff. So you guys could take a look at it for yourself if you guys would like. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So what is a digital product? So a digital product is something that you can create once and sell over and over again online. So it doesn't require any shipping, no inventory, and it's delivered instantly. These are things like PDF, templates, guides, etc. So they're sent by email, they're downloaded online, and they're really easy to send. So why digital products are so powerful? So digital products are very powerful because they allow us to have 100% profit margins. So every sale is pure profit after first creation. You create it once and then sell it forever. That's the beauty about digital products. Also, too, the passive income potential is great. It sells 24/7 without you needing to be there. So you can start making money in your sleep if you have your system set up correctly. Also, too, there's no fulfillment hassles, meaning like no shipping, no packaging, or any customer service headaches that you would have to worry about. Plus, with digital products, you get full ownership plus control. You set the price, you keep all the earnings, and you decide how it's sold. So let's talk about the best digital products for Instagram theme pages to actually start making $3,000 a month. So on the list we have ebooks slash mini guides, and we have Canva templates and planners, and then we have checklists and resource sheets. So we're going to explain all three of these topics in detail. So let's get straight to it. So ebooks and mini guides. So they're short, actionable guides that help people solve a specific problem fast. As you guys notice, I showed my credit page. I was helping people solve their credit issues, whether they needed funding or they needed to boost their credit score. So you want to solve a painful problem for your audience. So with these things, they could be as simple as 5 to 10 pages. Think things like I said credit, or a good example too would be how to budget on 2K a month, or maybe beginner meal plans for busy moms. Something that solves a problem for your audience, which is the problem solver. So these work great because people want quick wins. Not long reads. Something short and simple that helps them with their problem. So next on the list, we got Canva templates and planners. So these are ready-made tools your audience can fill in and use immediately. So this is great for them because it saves them time and effort. A lot of people in this day and age are lazy, so they want the process simplified for them. And this allows you to do that for them and make money. So some good examples of this would be Instagram post templates, daily planners, fitness tracker, business invoice templates. you know like I said, these are high in demand because people love plug and play resources. They don't have to design themselves. It saves them a lot of time and effort. So the next thing we got on the list is checklists and resources. So what these are one page, easier to follow guides that break into simple steps. Some examples of this would be new business setup checklist, home declutter checklist, or even a 10-step morning routine. These are powerful because they remove the overwhelming process, and then people could just print or save them and follow along. So it saves people time, and time is valuable. People love saving time. So now that we got that out the way, now let's get straight to the point. Let's get to my simple 3-step system to doing this. So first of all, you want to ideate, create, and promote. So let's go to ideate. So ideate, find your winning product idea. This is key. This is what's going to start your foundation to actually having you make money. So look at what your audience already cares about. Like what post gets them the most saves, shares, or DMs? Don't guess. Let their engagement guide you. So whatever niche you're in, whether you're credit, fitness, look at other people doing the same thing in the same niche and see what people are liking. Look at the comments of top creators in your niche and see what people are asking. These creators have so many comments, so they can't answer all of them. So you as a small creator, you can look at these comments and see exactly what these people need help with, and then you could take advantage of that. You know, like just think, what quick win can I help them get? What problem can you help these people solve? So, for example, a budgeting checklist, a 7-day fitness planner, or you have a small business content calendar. Those are some examples of finding a winning product idea. But it all starts on finding a problem that your audience is suffering with. Next you want to create it. So you want to build a product people actually want. So you could use things like Canva or Notion to create a clean, easy to use product. Something that they can apply right away. You want to make it easy for the user. So this is really important, guys. Keep it simple. A 3-page checklist can sell better. I, yeah, it can sell just as well, but honestly, it'll sell better than a 30-page guide. Guys, clarity is better than size. People don't want to sit down and read a whole dictionary. They just want to read something that's like 5 to 10 pages that's going to give them a lot of information so they can process it quickly. People like having quick wins, so don't make it long for them. And also, too, like make sure to include value. You can include set examples, bonus tips, or a simple action plan in your product. Get them from A to B. Now, the juicy part. How do we promote it? You want to promote this by selling without feeling salesy. So, pin your product in your bio. You could use things like Gumroad, Stand Store, Beacons. And then, you want to soft promote in your captions. You want to make it seem like the natural step. You don't want to seem like you're shoving your product down their throat, like buy my product. Nah, you just want to make it seem like the next logical step for them. So you could do things like grab my checklist in my bio, link in bio for this template, and also use story and pin comments to drive traffic without being pushy. Your content does most of the selling for you because they're already getting a lot of value from your videos. So some key tips to succeed in this space. So what you want to do is you want to stay consistent. One good product plus daily soft promotion equals compounding sales. You might not make money the first day, the first week, or the first month, but best believe the work that you do today is going to influence the money that you're going to make months from now. It's all a compounding effect, and that's how business works because you're building relationships with people. They might not buy off you today, but if they see that you're consistent and you're actually really trying to help people, they're going to start messing with you. So, guys, are you ready to start this? Are you ready to start your journey on selling digital products using Instagram theme pages? So, guys, if you're ready to start this, make sure to comment any of your questions down below in the comment section. I'd love to help you guys out and answer any questions that you might have about this. And also, more tutorials will be coming soon. But if you want more tutorials, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm out though. Peace.